Currently, Kenya collects taxes amounting to 15.3% of the gross domestic product, GDP. Value-added tax accounts for 4% of the figure. The Kenya Kwanza government hopes to raise tax collected to about 20% of the GDP and VAT contribution to about 7%. KRA insists that increasing the efficiency in tax collection could see the current tax gap bridged.
Bring in, other than efficiency, also there's a key element that we must bring in tax. There must be fair tax systems. When we say fair tax system, it has got not only to be fair, but must be seen to be fair. That means, therefore, that you do not have, if you are two businesses, you do not have one business on this door A, charging VAT and accounting for VAT, but business number two, not charging VAT.
According to KRA, 32% of tax gap, approximately 400 billion Kenyan shillings in potential tax, is VAT evasion. It is on that pressing that KRA is adopting the electronically assisted tax invoice management system to seal the existing loopholes, like rogue business owners who use fictitious invoices and undervalue their sales. The system will be able to monitor the value of goods purchased and project the expected tax, enabling the taxman to compare the figure with real-time remaining stock after sales.
If somebody then decides to sell without issuing an invoice, it's very easy then to check. If you have understood what I'm saying, it's very easy then to check. Because at the end of the period, we will say this is the stock theoretically that you're supposed to be holding, and what is your stock that you're showing in your records? If it is less than what you have shown, then clearly it shows that you made sales without declaration, and that's against law. When you remove the element of human intervention and records that are kept properly, then you are able to remove inefficiency, and accountability just grows automatically.
The technology adopted from Rwanda comes in quick succession after the migration to the Internet-Enabled Tax Registers, ETRs, whose deadline lapsed in November last year.
We are trying to avail as much information as possible so that any taxpayer who wants to install the software, they don't have to come to KRA.
The taxman, however, insists that more need to be done to capture those who are categorized under informal businesses, yet their turnover is over 5 million Kenyan shillings, hence meeting the VAT eligibility criteria. David Kagina, K24, Nairobi.